Hey everybody, I'm Bill Davenport. I'm the owner-operator of Anchored Market Ventures. We run local farmers markets in the Florida Panhandle and Lower Alabama area. And today we're coming to you with the tips and tricks, and it's on how to improve your business. As a business owner, you should be looking at ways to improve your business, to grow it, whether that's growing your brand, increasing your reach, or increasing your profitability of your business. And one of the ways that you can do that is by checking out other businesses that are in your lane, in your niche. They say imitation is one of the finest forms of flattery, and it really holds true when it comes to business. You want to look at, say you're a soap maker, you want to look at soap makers in that lane, but you don't want to just do it locally where you're at. Look all across America. There's a lot of soap makers, a lot of unique soap makers, and you can really see how their marketing, how their branding, how their presentation is. You can really learn a lot that maybe you weren't thinking about, but you see it and you say, hey, I can incorporate this. The idea is not to steal what they're doing, but it's to gin up your creative juices and get you on that path of increasing what you're doing so that you're more profitable, your business grows, and everybody's happy all the way around. So hit the social media, check out the Instagrams, the Facebooks, the TikToks, and really dial in other businesses that are doing what you're doing and use them as a guide to help grow your business. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you in any way that we can. Visit our website, anchoredmarketventures.com. And always like and subscribe, and we can't wait to see you guys at the local market.